Oslo, the capital of Norway, is one of the largest capital cities in the world by area, but only 20% of the land is developed. The rest is made up of parks, forests, hills, and lakes. These open spaces are easy to reach from anywhere in the city. The city center is perfect for walking, with many paths connecting parks and public areas. Karl Johans gate, Oslo's main street, runs from the central station to the Royal Palace, passing key attractions like the National Theatre, Oslo Cathedral, and the old university buildings. Oslo is known for its vibrant cultural scene, including theaters, museums, and galleries. So let's explore the best places to visit in Oslo. Number 1. Akershus Fortress. Akershus Fortress is a historic military site and one of Oslo's most famous landmarks. It is located near the city center, close to Oslo Central Station and the Akerbrygge waterfront, and overlooks the Oslofjord. This fortress is a must-visit for tourists, offering a mix of history, culture, and beautiful views. Surrounded by lush green scenery, the fortress is also an architectural marvel. Inside, you can explore medieval rooms and the Danish royal mausoleums. Some of the main attractions include the impressive armory door, the old prisons, Olaf Five's Hall, and the fortress's peaceful lake. Akershus Fortress is the perfect place to enjoy history and nature in the heart of Oslo. 2. Froget Park. Froget Park is Norway's most famous park and a must-visit spot in Oslo. It is known for its amazing collection of sculptures by Gustav Vigeland, making it an outdoor art museum and a peaceful place to relax. The park is the largest in Oslo, covering 45 hectares, with beautiful gardens, ponds, and large grassy areas. It was once part of Frogner Manor, an estate from the 18th century, and became a public park in the early 1900s. In 1924, Vigeland added his sculptures, creating the world's biggest sculpture park by one artist. The park displays over 200 bronze, granite, and iron pieces showing different aspects of human life. 3. Oslo Opera House. The Oslo Opera House is a famous cultural landmark in Norway, home to the National Opera and Ballet. Opened in 1962, it has been a hub for performances ever since. The building is modern, with white granite and marble exteriors and wooden interiors. It has 1,100 rooms across 530,000 square feet, including a mezzanine, and a main auditorium with 1,364 seats. The auditorium is shaped like a horseshoe, decorated with over 5,000 handmade crystals, and features a grand chandelier. There are 2 smaller stages for mimes and ballets, seating 400 people. Artworks by artists like Monica Bonvicini and Olafur Eliasson also enhance the space. 4. Royal Palace. The Royal Palace in Oslo sits at the end of Karl Johans gate, a major street on a hill called Bellevue. It is one of Norway's most important buildings and is surrounded by the beautiful Royal Palace Park. The park features grassy areas, big trees, small ponds, and statues. Visitors can only explore the palace through guided tours, which last about an hour. The entrance is on the west side, near Slottsfjorden. Built in 1814, the palace is a symbol of Norway's history. Highlights of the tour include stunning staterooms like the Cabinet Cloakroom, Council Chamber, Family Dining Room, Great Hall, Ceremonial Hall, and Banqueting Hall. 5. Karl Johans gate. Karl Johans gate is the main street in Oslo, full of life and activities. It connects important landmarks, shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions in Norway's capital. The street is named after King Karl Johan and is a must-visit spot in Oslo. In winter, it becomes a magical place with festive stalls, sparkling lights, and ice skating. Karl Johans gate is the heart of Oslo, blending history, culture, and modern comforts. Visitors can enjoy the local vibe, watch people, and see famous sights. It's also great for shopping, with boutiques, international stores, and souvenir shops lining the street. 6. Holmenkollbakken Hill. Holmenkollbakken Hill in Oslo, Norway, is a famous spot for sports and culture. It is home to the historic Holmenkollen ski jump, where international ski competitions take place. Inside the hill, the ski museum shows the rich history of winter sports. Visitors can enjoy exciting activities like hiking, mountain biking, and zip lining in summer. In winter, the hill becomes a snowy wonderland, perfect for cross-country skiing and sledding. The Holmenkollen Ski Museum and Jump Tower offer fun exhibits about skiing history. With amazing views of Oslo and lots to do, Holmenkollen Hill is a must-visit for nature and adventure lovers. 7. Aker Brygge. Aker Brygge is a lively area by the water in Oslo, known for its modern buildings, busy atmosphere, and beautiful views of the Oslofjord. It is only a short walk from the city center. The area has stylish buildings, shops, restaurants, and open spaces, along with a harbor full of apartments and shopping spots. Aker Brygge hosts events like art exhibitions, concerts, and pop-up events. The old shipyard buildings add a historic touch to the area. Watching a sunset by the water while enjoying local food and coffee from nearby restaurants is a memorable experience. 8. Oslo Cathedral. Oslo Cathedral, also called Our Saviour's Church, is located in the center of Oslo. Built in 1697, it is designed in the Baroque style with detailed carvings, including acanthus designs on the organ, the pulpit, and altarpiece, along with large ceiling murals. The church has high ceilings and beautiful glass windows with painted sconces. It consists of two buildings. One is a lovely chapel created by architect Arnstein Arneberg, and the other is a bazaar hall with souvenir shops. The main entrance features 3 pillars with sculptures representing art, diaconate, and services. 9. National Theatre. The National Theatre in Oslo is one of the largest and most famous theaters for dramatic performances. Designed by Henrik Bull in 1899, the theater's entrance hall features its original furniture. It has 4 stages: the main stage, Tushota Theater, painting parlor, and amphitheater, with the main stage seating over 700 people. Visitors can explore workshops and backstage areas. Statues of famous Norwegian writers Bjørnstjerne Bjørnson and Henrik Ibsen stand at the entrance. The theater also hosts the International Ibsen Festival every 2 years. 10. Oslo City Hall. Oslo City Hall is a central building in Oslo. It has 2 towers, one 66 meters tall and the other 63 meters tall. The eastern tower holds 49 bells, which play music from classical to pop every hour from 7 a.m. to midnight. Designed by architects Arnstein Arneberg and Magnus Poulsson, the City Hall was built from 1931 to 1950, with a pause during World War II. The hall hosts important events, including the Nobel Peace Prize ceremony each December. It is also the home of the Oslo City Council and local government offices.